If you're tired of your edits looking like this,
Oh, brother, this guy's boring.
and you want them to look more like this, then this video is something that I was looking for. I just dropped my new pack that will elevate your edits to the moon and also speed up your workflow. So let me show you guys what this pack actually have in it. So once you downloaded it, go to the energy pack and choose whatever resolution that you guys have. I'm working with 4K footage right here, so I'll be only interested in this folder right here. And you have before shakes, an adjustment layer, rotoscope, shakes, textures, transitions. So you have a lot of value in this pack. If you're watching this right now, only for next 7 days there is a sale going on. So if you buy this pack, you can get whatever pack do you want for free. So make sure to check this sale out. But back to the video. We have some Ghana clips right here. I'll be transforming them to something more with more energy. So let's start with a shake right here. So I'm gonna do walk out like that. That's very cool. And then we can add a basic wiggle, I think, right here. And then we can pre-compose it, and we can try to spice it up by adding a zoom in right here and adjusting the keyframes. And I think I'll add a texture here. I will show you guys my favorite texture from this pack is this one, killer texture. You have like a nice splash blood effect around the screen, and with the glitch TV, it's such a sick effect. And we can pre-compose it, add a zoom out flicker, so you have a zoom out and also a flicker, so that's pretty cool to match the zoom in right here. Yeah, that's very good. We can add those paparazzi flashes with my pack too, so that's pretty cool. So let me show you how to do it. So add a new adjustment layer, put it above your clips, and go to the adjustment layer folder and pick paparazzi. Click U, and there's this marker right here. So this is the middle, and then go to an adjustment layer and go to the background and choose an adjustment layer, so it will be transparent like this. So we have this nice flash effect right here, and we can add this lag out shake right here, this nice pixels with a flash on the end, and we can actually put this a bit further to match the transition. So it'll be right here, and then a flash. And right here we can add another shake. So notice how much time I'm saving right now using Maypack. I created this sequence in, I don't know, like 1 minute or so. Let's add a shake right here. Let's try like lazy shake. Yeah, that's looking fire. And then add a camera flash right here. And yeah, that's fire. And let's try to end the sequence. Let's try something before shake. This folder right here is one of my favorite from this pack because you can be creative with it. You can put it before shakes, at the middle of the sequence. It's very good. Well, let me adjust the keyframes right there. So you have this nice flicker with blue glow. It's very interesting. I think we have done the sequence already. It is just insane. So like I said, you can buy this pack right now and get extra one for free. So make sure to check this sale out. This pack is one of my favorite from my website. I'm using this pack of all of my music videos right now. It's game changing. Like, you can save a lot of time and get some extra money with it. So make sure you check that out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.